Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn the sleeve block pattern. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. First we will draw a straight line equal to the sleeve length. This line will be at the center of the whole pattern. From the top we will come down by the cap height measurement and draw a perpendicular line. This line will be equal to the bicep measurement. At the very bottom, make a perpendicular line equal to the wrist measurement. Make sure that the sleeve length line divides the bicep and wrist line in equal halves. At half of the cap height / bicep point and wrist point we mark the elbow point. Now we will join the bicep and wrist points on both sides. Similarly, we will also join the topmost point of the sleeve and the bicep points. Divide both these lines into 4 equal parts and label front and back as shown here. Follow these guidelines that mark the square measurements at points A to F. Now we will join these points with curved lines. There you have it. The sleeve block is ready. Now all that is left is to remove the unwanted guidelines as shown and it's done. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. That's all for this one, let's meet on the next part.